So as you can see, it's pretty windy here. You can probably hear it too. And last night we had a lot of wind and that, and all the palm branches have blown off the palm trees. The big palm trees there, because all the dead ones, when they're dead, they normally tend to fall off. So they're just all scattered along the front lawn here. I'm gonna have to mow the lawn later today. And yeah, they're kind of everywhere from the wind we had last night, because it was all thunder, lightning, raining, very, very strong winds. Yeah, so they just all fall from these big palm trees that are like 100 years old, and they just drop these stuff. So I'll come with the John Deere Gator and I'll come pick them all up and then burn them. So I've just hopped in the Gator. I'm going to start it quickly. The broom looking things, they come in these little cocoon things. Not sure what they are, but yeah, they come in those and then they just fall out like that. I don't know if you guys can see, but where I just got spiked there, it's stinging a bit, but should be fine. Luckily no spike went through, just a little scratch. So we've had the wombat dig in here. I'm gonna get a shovel and refill this little hole. I refilled it 2 weeks ago, but he's just come back. Watch out, Tilly. So this is the best I could do, because all the stuff here is just like stuck into the grass. It's hard to get it, so I'll probably just go get some soil up from our soil party and just refill it. Yeah, so the wombat just keeps digging here for some reason. Not sure why. And then he always poos on the path. So yeah, I'll refill this hole. So this is the load we've gotten just from around the house here. It's a pretty big load. So now I'll just go up into the old pig paddock and burn them all. And because it's windy, it'll light the whole thing on fire. Of course I'll tip it out of the Gator. Yeah, so it's a pretty big pile. It only took me 20 minutes to pick up. And then here's the finished product of the wombat hole. I've got to go get some more dirt to fill it in. So I'm just driving to the old pig paddock, because we got rid of all our pigs. They were too hard to take care of. Just gonna unlatch this gate. There's my bird trap there. Been catching a lot of birds in it. So the gate is a tip tray, so let's open the tailgate. And I'll just pull forward a bit so it all falls out. That worked really well. So this is the finished product. I've filled in all the holes where I pulled out the tree stumps. I picked up a lot of the little sticks. Of course you can't pick up every single one. Yeah, there's that tree that had the spider's nest. I'll get that in a couple of weeks. And yeah, filled in that hole. It's a little bit there, but it's fine. And then here's the bonfire pile. I'm about to light it. Yeah, so this will burn pretty good because all the wood's dry and rotten.